You wake up one morning, grab your cup of coffee, scroll through your emails, and there it is. A message from your boss. Your position has been automated. No goodbye, no warning, just gone. But here's the real question we'll uncover today. Is AI actually replacing us, or forcing us to evolve into something greater? It sounds like a scene from a dystopian movie, but it's closer to reality than most people realize. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rewriting the rules of the global workforce faster than any industrial revolution in history. From truck drivers to lawyers, from designers to coders, no one's completely safe. Stay till the end, because what you'll learn might just save your future career. The age of automation has begun. It's not coming. It's already here. Across every industry, automation is quietly taking over, not with big machines, but with lines of code. According to the World Economic Forum, AI is predicted to displace 85 million jobs by 2025. That sounds terrifying, right? But here's the twist. It will also create 97 million new ones. That's not destruction. That's transformation. AI doesn't destroy work. It transforms how we define it. It's not taking all jobs. It's taking the repetitive ones, the ones that can be turned into algorithms. Think about data entry clerks, telemarketers, and factory workers who repeat the same pattern day in and day out. For machines, that's child's play. But creativity, empathy, decision-making, those are still very, very human. How AI thinks differently than you. If AI is going to take your job, shouldn't you at least understand how it thinks? Let's simplify this. Humans learn from experiences, successes and failures, emotions and instincts. AI learns from data. Give it enough examples, and it starts finding patterns faster than you could blink. For instance, you might take weeks to analyze market trends for a business. AI can do it in seconds, identifying correlations, forecasting outcomes, and even suggesting solutions. But here's the thing. AI doesn't understand meaning. It doesn't know why something matters. It just recognizes patterns and probabilities. So yes, AI can outsmart humans in logic, but not in understanding. And that, right there, is the line that keeps humanity irreplaceable. When AI became a lawyer, sort of. Here's a hilarious story that perfectly shows why machines still need us. In 2023, a small law firm decided to use ChatGPT to speed up legal research. The AI confidently gave them a list of past cases, full of convincing legal jargon. The lawyers were thrilled, until they realized every single case was made up. ChatGPT had invented fake judges, fake dates, and fake court decisions, all while sounding extremely professional. The result? The firm got fined, the case fell apart, and the internet laughed for weeks. That's AI in a nutshell. Incredibly smart, occasionally too confident, and sometimes completely wrong. Jobs that are actually at risk. Let's be real. Not every job will survive the AI wave. Some are standing right at the edge. Manufacturing and logistics. Robots are faster, more precise, and never take coffee breaks. Customer service. Chatbots can now answer complex questions instantly. Basic content writing. AI tools can generate articles, emails, and ads faster than a whole marketing team. Data analysis. Machines can analyze millions of records without fatigue or bias. But before you panic, remember, every industrial shift kills some jobs and creates better ones. The printing press destroyed scribes, but gave birth to writers. The internet killed video stores, but gave birth to Netflix. AI might take your current role, but it could open the door to your best one yet. Hooking into human advantage. So, what can humans still do better than AI? The answer: feel. AI can process logic, but it can't feel joy, guilt, curiosity, or fear. Those emotions drive human creativity and innovation. That's why the future belongs to jobs that combine human emotion plus machine precision. Fields like teaching, healthcare, marketing, counseling, and design. These thrive on empathy and creativity. AI can assist, but it can't replace the warmth of a human connection or the originality of human imagination. Think of AI not as your competitor, but as your co-pilot. The rise of the hybrid worker. You've heard of superhumans in comics. The next real-world superheroes? They'll be super employees, people who combine their creativity with the power of AI tools. Imagine a teacher using AI to create personalized lessons for every student. A doctor diagnosing illnesses with the help of predictive algorithms. An artist using generative AI to explore new visual styles. These aren't threats. They're upgrades. In fact, the most powerful sentence of the decade might be this: you won't lose your job to AI, you'll lose it to someone who knows how to use AI. The AI chef disaster. Let's lighten it up with another story. A tech company once trained an AI to create new recipes. They called it ChefBot. It analyzed thousands of dishes from around the world, and one day proudly presented its own invention: banana pizza with ketchup. People screamed. Some even cried. Turns out ChefBot had all the data, but zero taste buds. That's the perfect example. Machines can learn from information, but they can't experience emotion, context, or culture. They can imitate creation, not truly create. The jobs AI cannot touch. If you want to future-proof your career, focus on what machines can't do. Here are 5 examples. Therapists and psychologists. Empathy isn't programmable. Creative storytellers. AI can mimic stories, but it doesn't live them. Entrepreneurs. Innovation comes from risk, instinct, and passion, not datasets. Teachers and coaches. Humans inspire. Machines instruct. Scientists and inventors. Curiosity, the what-if that drives discovery, is uniquely human. So the secret isn't fighting AI. It's using AI to make yourself irreplaceable. A glimpse into the future of work. Let's fast forward 20 years. Offices are half empty. Not because people lost jobs, but because AI handles the heavy lifting. Humans work fewer hours, focus on creativity, and collaborate globally. AI writes code. Humans write vision. AI calculates the path. Humans decide the destination. This future isn't science fiction. It's already forming. The question is, will you be ready for it? Or will you get left behind wishing you were? How to stay ahead of the AI revolution. Here's your action plan to survive and thrive in the AI era. Learn to use AI tools. Don't fear them. Play with ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Gemini. Stay adaptable. The ability to learn quickly is your biggest weapon. Focus on creativity and emotion. Machines will never beat you here. Keep your ethical compass strong. AI doesn't understand morality. You do. The next generation of leaders will be AI-powered humans, not AI-controlled ones. The deeper question: should we be afraid? Here's the truth most people miss. AI isn't a villain. It's a mirror. It reflects our own desires, flaws, and ambitions. If we teach it empathy and fairness, it'll amplify those. If we feed it greed and bias, it'll amplify that too. The future isn't about AI versus humans. It's about humans choosing how to use AI, and that choice still belongs to us. The power of change. Einstein once said, "The measure of intelligence is the ability to change." And that's what this new world demands. AI is faster, stronger, and smarter in data, but not in soul. You are not replaceable because of your intelligence. You're irreplaceable because of your heart, humor, and humanity. Machines might run the world, but only humans can make it worth living in. The future is yours. If this video made you think even for a second about your place in this new AI-driven world, then don't just click away. Hit this subscribe button, smash the like, and ring the bell icon. Because we've only just begun to explore how AI is reshaping our lives, our jobs, and our future. Stay curious, stay creative, And remember, AI might be powerful, but you are the original genius behind it. See you in the next one.